how big that city is.
Right, we're about to go into Louisiana. We're going up into heaven. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Traffic. Close, but fine.
It's got 50 out.
We are here at John Schneider's place. There you go. There he is. That's John Schneider. Stunt cars.
So this is one that was not a stunt car. See,
Okay.
it doesn't have any of the roll bars or anything.
We did buy the new movie that John just released. It's a very famous car, buddy. Very famous. One more day, we're in Florida.
We're gonna be in 3 different states in one day.
MISSISSIPPI. Sweet home Alabama. It's weird with all these empty campgrounds now.
Look at how big that city is.
Whoa.
This is the ugly part of Houston.
Oh no, I just hit this.
I've been here one time and this is what I remember seeing. Right, we're about to go into Louisiana. Here we are.
State line, you see it?
Louisiana state line right now. We're in Louisiana.
Signs are really boring when they're on bridges.
Yeah, the bridges typically are kind of more boring.
Unless they've got a big, like a bridge covering
Right,
because
yeah.
they may have them hanging.
Right.
Take exit 8 on the right to Louisiana 108, then take the first right.
That's not it.
That's not it?
Nope. That's I-10. I think I saw that.
Is it called Vincent RV Park?
Yep. 519 here. Yikes. We're going up into heaven. Baton Rouge, Louisiana. Traffic.
You haven't unlocked
It's 3
that.
p.m.
You will unlock that.
Guess it's the beginning of rush hour.
People in the left lane want to get in the right lane, and people in the right lane want to get in the left lane.
Yeah.
And that's causing all kinds of traffic.
What a mess. Buddy, do you see what we're sitting in? We don't know.
Not only
We gotta
is-
get through this mess.
Not only is this
This is the worst road planning I've ever seen.
this, guys.
Look.
Wait, what are we looking at? Why is it upstairs to get up?
Buzzer. I don't see a buzzer, I just see
Keep on. Keep on.
then push the call. Well, that's what I did. Hi, yes, we have a reservation for tonight.
You're with Home Hope?
Yes, I'm sorry.
That's right. So there's sides all the way to the back to the campground. The 50 amps are on the right and the 30 amps are on the left.
50 amp on the right. That's what we're looking for.
Here we go.
I guess I hung up. Sorry if I hung up on you.
Alright. Somebody behind us.
Look at those.
I have to get up and take a walk in the morning. We'll be gone before we have a chance to explore all this. You're fine. Close, but fine.
It's got 50 amp.
Okay. Cool.
That would be ours.
Alright.
So.
But to the right. Or just off the driveway right now. Oh, hi, Miss Burger Queen. Some crazy kids right now. Just had to check the backslide with the electric. I think that's good. I think it probably is.
It'll be alright.
We are here at John Schneider's place, the Harvest Host, where we were staying just for one night. We didn't get a chance to look around last night, so now we're going to walk around and check out the grounds. Well, we just ran into Jeff, who's the property manager here, and we weren't sure how we were supposed to pay for our hookup, so we just gave it to him. So that was easy. Here's the stage. Looks like they have events or something here. And then this big, huge movie screen. Oh, there you go. There he is.
Come on,
Yep, that's John Schneider. All right, I'll take a picture. Ready? Awesome.
In Presley, this little little shack, like little wooden thing right here, they actually put a film projector in there, and it projects film onto that big white screen, and they can sit and watch movies on that. They watch movies on that.
Do they still do that?
I'm sure
Probably.
at some point. Got a little amp in there.
This is all from the TV show.
I just touched this.
That's Daisy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, look at you. This is John Schneider right here, but that's him when he was younger. Back the blue, that's right.
There's Luke.
Oh yeah. You can do the faces. Can you reach up there? Okay. Oh, got it. So here's the pool whenever it's warm. Look how cool this is.
There's no water in it.
No, no water.
Looks like a fun place to hang out.
Yeah.
So I could
Super fun.
easily see like there being music being played.
Oh yeah. Oh, there is water. It's just not clean. It's a little dirty.
You'll see me, I knock out Frosty right there at that table.
Oh, okay.
I said take it outside.
Sure thing. Right after this.
Oh no.
This is cool. Oh, Galaga. Oh man.
That's cool.
Well, yeah, because that's one it would be an autograph.
Was it WWE? It's right below WWE years ago.
Oh wow.
It's a wreck. Well, not wreck, but
Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah.
And then
It's a mess.
the seat isn't even there.
Yeah.
yeah, these were.
There's not even a passenger seat.
So these were definitely would have been used in a movie. Okay, and all this stuff. Look,
They put
So
cameras
look,
in there.
all this
Right?
stuff. Yeah, but no. But this
Oh.
this is hard. They customize these because they're using these for stunts in a movie, so that if they wreck this car and it flips over, then it keeps the person completely safe. This is hard metal. This
Right.
this keeps anybody from getting completely, really badly hurt. So these are probably were used in one of his movies.
They're stunt cars.
So this is one that was not a stunt car because see,
Okay.
it doesn't have any of the roll bars or anything.
Right.
So they would have used this as the main car, like for when they were doing filming, and then this one would have been used when they were filming, but they were doing stunts because you can see it's wrecked and everything.
Oh, is it the same car?
Yeah.
Oh.
So it's 100% the same thing.
Okay, so this was the one they would use, and then when they would do the stunts, so they would switch to this one.
Yep. So whenever they're doing a jump or doing anything crazy, this is what they would use.
It does say
Wonder what
private
movie-
keep out on the top.
I wonder what it's used for.
Oh.
Hi. Hi. Hi, buddy. Hi. I
Hi.
would say you're a good doggy, aren't you?
Right.
Oh, it's not good.
No.
That's all. I guess that's the bridge.
Oh, okay.
Private property back there.
So we need to walk down the main road.
Yeah, we'll walk back this way. Drive today, guys.
How do I get on this?
You just get on it.
You got to put your butt on it. No. Turn around.
Don't.
Sit.
You gotta flip it.
Sit.
No.
You got to sit on it.
Sit on it in the middle. You gotta get in the middle.
Right here. Get right here in the middle. Right here in the middle. Put your butt on it. Okay,
then lay
now
back.
slowly lean back.
Lean back.
Lean your back.
You gotta put your weight back.
There you go. There you go. There you go.
Okay, keep going back.
Keep going back. There you go.
You gotta get in it, silly. Put your feet up.
Okay, now put your feet up.
There
Okay,
you
now
go.
lay back. Lay sideways.
You gotta turn sideways.
That's
You're gonna.
fine.
All right. We all ran into some of the other people that work here, and Michael got into a long conversation with Luke, who works with John, and ended up talking for like 30 minutes or so. We did buy the new movie that John just released called To Die For. So we can watch that and let you guys know how it is. We're gonna jump in the truck, try to go to get some pictures in the front before we have to get out of here. But now we're running quite a bit behind. We got to get to Alabama tonight. So we don't want to get there after it's dark and we have to go through Mobile. So, all right, gotta do this really fast because we don't want to miss this place.
Hazzard County, one of the original General Lee's.
I think this one is in the picture that I saw.
It's for sure. This is called a General Lee. It's a very famous car, buddy. Very famous.
One of the most famous cars that there ever was in television.
The police car over there.
We're leaving John Schneider Studio. All right, off we go. One more day and we're in Florida.
We're getting ready to go into Alabama.
No, Mississippi.
Mississippi?
Yep.
Oh,
That's why I said.
Oh, that's right. We're just in Mississippi for a hot minute.
MISSISSIPPI.
We're going to be in 3 different states in one day.
Yeah. Pretty crazy, huh?
Alabama State Line. Recording right now. Here it is. What's it say?
Welcome to Sweet Home Alabama, where the skies are so gray.
Is this the same tunnel?
Yeah.
In 1 mile, arrive at Retreat RV and Campground on Styx River, on the right.
That looks like a good road.
You're 100% positive.
What is that? Turn right here. They need to fix this road. What's in the world? There's the office right there. So weird with all these empty campgrounds now. This is like off season now and we're all up in busy campgrounds.